And it's going to be a special guest. It's going to be a special guest. DJ Manu, can you give us an interlude of music while we welcome a special person that we will not introduce because it's going to be a surprise. DJ Manu, can you welcome that person? DJ, welcome the Big Brother of Southern New Jersey. And here comes the Big Brother. Please give a hand of applause. Excellent. All right, Mr. D.
Family, and welcome everybody to the 2018 convention of Banmeke Dynamic Group of Southern New Jersey. I'm very happy tonight to be here with you. Papa bless your daddy, your papa, the heart of the Banmeke had told me you cannot be in town and your children, the children you gave birth almost 5 years ago, is doing something that great. And you are so busy, you can't stop by. I'm not going to be here long, but I'm here. Okay? God bless you.
All right, still for giving us that wonderful surprise. Before we wait on the next segment.
This is the time for us to put our hands deep in our pockets and help this group to perform whatever project they have in hand. So the first I would like to call came all the way from Delaware. He's not any kind of person. He's a chief coming from the Northwest Province. Please put your hands together as we welcome Chief, Daddy, Nurse, Doctor. In fact, the names are so many. Please rise as we welcome the Chief all the way from Delaware.
Le chef, il s'est levé là, et il se démarre pour cette sommité, mesdames et messieurs,
Next on the list, still out of state, I would like to call the president of the Cameroonian Association of Southern New Jersey, Mr. Thomas Famawa.
Le président qui vient de nous rejoindre sur la table.
Special person, always there to support, always willing to help, always willing to assist, and he's one of the right men of the president of Philadelphia. I would like to call Mr. Eric Ekobeni to please join the high table.
Monsieur.
We're going to the president of the Pinay Group of Southern New Jersey, Mr. Kenneth Quenty. Next on the list is the general manager of one of the biggest African stores in Philadelphia, New Jersey area, Farmers Market International. I would like to please call Miss Loveline Mulu. Founders of one of the strongest women's group in New Jersey, Women of Substance. Please welcome Madame Evelyn Gua. The community of Southern New Jersey, all the way from Maryland, please welcome Auntie Scholar.
Auntie Scholar.
cousin died from Maryland. We call him Papa L'Argent, always signing checks no less than $500. Please, let's welcome Jazz Le Prodige to please join the high table.
Jazz Le Prodige, qui a fait le déplacement. On a les gens qui sont prêts à donner ce soir.
Exactly, Marshall. Thank you so much, Marshall. I see how much you're having it tonight. Getting into. Because these guys are so important. Please give them a very powerful number. That's why 3 seconds, but welcome them to this floor. Please, DJ Manu, give them a wonderful number. Whatever it is, it's going to be good.
Oui, on peut remarquer que cette table est lourdement chargée avec des personnalités, avec des autorités, avec des administratifs. Ça veut dire que le fundraising ce soir va donner quoi. On a dit $35 000 et mes oreilles ont écouté.
That special song is for the high fundraiser tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the President General. Welcome, Mr. President. Welcome, Mr. President. Welcome, Mr. President. Thank you, Mr. President. And we know you have... Please, let's listen to the President. Let's listen to the President. So we're here for a fundraiser, but what do you guys want to do after tonight?
Before I say anything, I would like to call President Gidanji to be close to me.
President Gidanji, please come forward.
This year, for what we are planning to do, we plan to raise $35,000 to help people back home in educational project, social project, and more of that. I'm sorry, my English is not...
It is perfect, Mr. President. We hear you so well. Education is key, and you're good on the right. Please.
Yeah. And we have a lot of orphans. We are always target them, and we are just waiting for your support to move on and try to do what we agree with them to do. And without your support, we can be able to help and to support those people who are stronger back home. So for to start the fundraising, I will donate myself $500.
$500 from the President General. What a powerful statement. What a powerful statement. $500. Yes, Mr. President. Mr. Gidanji. So we know it's education, it's to support the orphans, and so you say.
Thank you, Mr. Godi. Thank you, Marshall. Thank you, Mr. President. I am honored to be here beside my president to support him tonight. I will be very brief. As he said, education is the key of the future. And we do have kids that we have to support back home and do things for them. So technically, tonight we got to raise money. So the president, I will not let him down. You know, I will support in the name of my business and myself, my wife, Angel Dandy, and my family. We are going to support the Bamileke Dana Group this year with $500. $500,
$500, ladies and gentlemen. $500. Thank you so much, Mr. President General.
Yes, Mr. Godi, thank you. I'm not calling you short. You know, everything starts at home.
Excellent.
And then for us to move on and to prove our guests that we can do better, within our community we do have eminent members, people that struggle to survive, but at the same time believe that the same value, the core value we put in on tonight, it's something that also may support. So I would like to call each of our members here to donate so they can open up the floor and give the opportunity to people to see that they are doing something, why not helping them? So I will call down the first person tonight will be Tonton Blaise.
Excellent.
Wow, I love this community. I love this MVT. They are very, very kind. They can listen to my voice because they want to hear what I'm going to say. Hey, I'm so pleased to have you here tonight. I'm so pleased to have you here come to support this strong group of Bamileke people. I'm just the father, teaching the kids how to grow, and they are growing quickly. Like they can raise $500. I'm so happy. They can raise for Papa Bless as well. But in order to continue to support them, I'm not going to let them down because I'm already tired of raising. I'm still going to continue to raise because I love this dynamic group. And I'm going to raise not only for me, I'm going to raise for some friends too. So for me, I'm raising $200, which is good. And then I have a couple of friends. Thank you. I have a couple of friends who raised through me. So I'm going to just call their name right now so I don't have to come back on stage. They have seen me enough tonight. So, Papa Bless, who's just take the money? Nobody running the money? So the treasurer who raised through me, she raised $50, clap for her. Man in the back, she raised through me, she raised $100, clap for her too. I have one more. Oh, it's a check. Okay. I have our sister, a lovely sister, Evelyn. She raised through me $200. So if they raise through me $200 for Papa Bless, $100 for Manny, $200 for Evelyn, or $50 for our, it's how much? $550 through Papa Bless. Thank you very much. I think I beat the rest. Thank you.
Thank you, Gildy. I truly appreciate it, the word. I will perhaps have to call on the following member to come here. So instead of calling all the Bamileke members, start by Mr. Charlie Tamho, come up. And a lovely hour.
I first of all want to thank all our guests. You guys look awesome, by the way. You guys look all amazing. We appreciate you all come to support us. And there are few people here that I know they are always there. They always here to support us, and we cannot thank them enough. For tonight, I'm not going to pledge anything tonight. I'm not pledging anything tonight, but I'm having a surprise for the Bamileke people. This surprise, they will just discover it. I'm not pledging anything tonight.
All right, Mr. Charlie Tamho, and that surprise will be waiting to see. Thank you so much, and we keep going.
Welcome you all tonight, and thank you all for coming to support us. I am just the treasurer. I only keep the money.
Okay, that's an important job.
Okay. So, but I'm going to support this association with $200.
$200 for Miss Lovely Hour.
See you now.
You guys know I don't talk too much. But
You don't talk too much, you act very well.
I just want to say welcome to everyone.
Yes, he certainly does.
I'm paying attention.
Adopted in the Bamileke way, cash.
Right.
All right, Marshall, who's coming next? We have to keep rolling. The chairman of this year's convention has a statement with the Queen.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Thank you for coming. My husband and I will pledge $300.
$300, Mr. DJ. Ivan Chida, my personal friend. Thank you so much. All right, Marshall.
Before we move on, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the tonight's sponsors. You know,
and who are you talking about?
I'm talking about that screen down there.
Yes.
Yes. If you have any consulting concerning tax or accounting, just contact them. They will take care of your business. Thank you also to the African Award of Washington, D.C. Thanks to all the tonight's sponsors. So we're gonna move on with tonight, and I would like to call the Vice President, Camille Kamgen, for this fundraising. The Vice President, Mr. Camille Kamgen.
Mrs. Cohen, we truly appreciate your support. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I hear with the dynamism that is so powerful. And Mr. Chairman, make the announcement yourself, please.
Mudu is supporting Mrs. Cohen with $100.
Mr. Mudu is supporting Mrs. Cohen with a sum of $100.
Ce soir, mais ils ont peut-être 100 $ sur eux. C'est leur argent de carburant de la semaine. Voici ce qu'on va faire. Ils vont donner ça ici. Et comme je sais que tu pries très bien, tu vas prier et ils vont conduire toute la semaine sans avoir problème.
That's not a problem, Marshall. I understand that, and we are living in the dynamism of the dynamic. Next, on this very important list of gentlemen right here. To the high table, Mr. DJ. All right. Thank you, and so we give you the microphone.
Before she says something, we say in France, l'argent c'est comme les oiseaux. Ils n'aiment pas les bruits. Quand vous faites les bruits, les oiseaux sont bons. Donc écoutons la reine-mère.
Avant de m'écouter, je vais faire une petite chanson.
Ah, je vois aussi.
Très
Ok.
brève. Et vous allez répondre. Ceux qui connaissent la chanson vont répondre. Me kwaye mou me kwaye.
Mo kwaye, wa mo kwaye.
Me kwaye mou me kwaye. Eh, des pas make dynamic group. Me kwaye mou. Merci. C'est à vous.
Thank you so much, Queen Mother.
Mon fils Maréchal, mon frère Gaudi, mes enfants, I love you very, very much. That's why I'm here. The love of a mother is unconditional. And tonight, on behalf of Papa Kemayo, my husband and myself, we're supporting the Bamileke Dynamic Group with $600.
$600 from the Queen Mother. That is it. That is it. The Queen Mother. $600. Thank you so much, DJ.
$500 for the Bamileke and $100 for the performer tonight, Pipson.
Wonderful.
We would like him to really entertain our family.
Yes, 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 yes. And the Pipson, the talented Mr. The Pipson will be hitting the floor not too long from now. The chairman. For Marshall.
Wow.
That is
$200.
$200, but then I would only say $200 came from a wonderful person called Mama, because you know what? She loves us, and please give her a hand of support. Please give her a hand of support. Thank you so much, Mama. The chief is sitting right there, and if the chief is ready, we will be welcoming the chief to support this event tonight. Wonderful sister from Maryland. She is always not only beautiful, but extremely precious when she's among us. Her name is Sister Scholastica Combs. And she is here from Maryland. Please welcome Sister Scholastica Combs.
Thank you so much, and I just want to congratulate the Bamileke brothers and sisters for a job well done. I wouldn't have missed this for anything. You know, I want to just say thank you for always being behind us and also supporting us when we also do our own things. You know, and since we said they should pray for our gas doubling and all that, okay, I'm about to give you my gas money. So, you take the gas money and I will add another one, pledging $100 to add on that particular check again.
Thank you so much. Le prodige.
Je vais parler en français. Je vais d'abord commencer par dire toutes mes félicitations Bamileke est un Negro group de Southern New Jersey. Ladies and gentlemen, I am a Bamileke too, so I'm going to thank you guys for taking out of your time and come out tonight to support this group. And I will also want everybody here to pray for what is not Cameroon right now, because people are dying back home. I'm very honored here to see on this high table so diverse, with Francophone and Anglophone sitting together to support the Bamileke people. And that's how we want Cameroon to be. That's why we have to pray for our country. To make the story short, for myself and my family and my business, I will place a sum of $500.
$500 from Mr. Monet. Seated right there at that table, and I see right here, her name is Madam Evelyn Ngwa. Madam Evelyn.
Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to stand here, and I appreciate everything that the Bamileke Group is doing. This is wonderful. I just want to say, I already contributed
$200 for Madam Evelyn Ngwa, please. Thank you so much, Madam Evelyn Ngwa.
Keep up the good job. Beautiful. And I like your motive, and I like the vision of the group.
Absolutely great, and the dynamism of the Bamileke Group. Thank you, Church.
Really. Thank you so much for having us here. Wow. Thank you very much for what you stand for, and yeah, thank you very much for the moment of silence about Cameroon. We all know what's going on, and I appreciate you, for what you did. So yeah, I'm from the SNG career training. I train people on become business analysts. Most people graduate and they find themselves in situations where they can't really get a job, employment. And business analysis is the fastest and easiest way to get into IT. I know some people think, oh, IT is so hard, but I have over 20 years of experience in IT, and I train you like someone who's just coming from kindergarten. So if you're interested, please let me know. Contact me here, I'll give you my card. I train online and in class. So either one, I'm here for you.
You look like you are 24.
Yeah, I've been doing it for a long time. I work for the federal government, so I have a lot of experience. Private sector and public sector. So contact me, please.
Good to know.
So this is my husband. We work together. He's a financial guy, so talk about money, you have to talk with him. Talk about education. Education is key. You know that. Education is key. I love what you stand for. About the offense, and we're going to pledge $100 today. Thank you.
$100. Thank
Mafo.
Madam Mafo. You know Madam?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's my pleasure to always be here. I'm going to pledge the sum of $100.
$100 for Madame Benedict.
Daniel, he was already there. That's
Oh, he was there already. Oh, wonderful, wonderful. Director of Farmers Market International. Woo! Director of Farmers Market International, and her name is Maggie Lovely.
In Cameroon, we say money.
Her name is Maggie Lovely.
Everybody for this honor. My family and I will $200.
$200.
$200. And ladies and gentlemen, just to add to that, Maggie Loveland had previously given the sum of $100. This adds up to that. Thank you so much, Maggie. We appreciate your support. Never for your contribution already. Now we have to return to the high table. All right. Cultural Association here tonight, representing the Benin Cultural Association here tonight, and representing himself too, is my brother and friend, Mr. Kenneth Quentin.
Mr. Kenneth Quentin.
Mr. Kenneth Quentin.
Beaucoup d'argent. Les filles ont fait du bruit. Hey, hey.
That is Mr. Kenneth Quentin.
La chaussure.
A lot of money. A lot of money.
Regardez la chaussure.
And we also call him Papa because in our dialect, a man of his substance is called a Pa. So Papa, welcome.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for this opportunity. I always know that Bambiki people are part of the people. The people are part of Bambiki people.
Yes.
So it's not a surprise that we are standing here. All of the surprise that I'm representing the PE people. I had to talk to the custodians of the PE. I consulted them a little bit. They called me. I talked to some of them. But they are aware that we are a family. The PE people all migrated. We have 9 families, 7 families migrated from the Bambili case. 7 out of the 9 came from the Bambili case. So the historical geography shows that most of the PE people are from the Bambili land. So we are actually one person. So it's not a surprise that we are also here to support you. And we support the cause with all our heart because you are always there for us. We appreciate your support all the time that you can. I know that even we have a convention in Arizona, we have people coming to see us, to support us. So that is a great gesture that you always do. This year we have it in Maryland, and we believe and trust that as many as 100, all of you, Bambili people will still come to Maryland to support the people because you always do. You are always there for us. So on behalf of the Benin community, we'll support your cause $250.
$250. Thank you, Mr. Paul.
On behalf of myself and my wife and my mother that is here, we're supporting the family cause with $300.
$300 plus $250. That's $550. Thank you so much.
A special donator. We have Ilkel Mabrangani. We support our case with $1,000.
$1,000. DJ, put up some good music for that.
DJ, that's calling for good celebration. That's going to go to the well. All right, here she comes. Happy here tonight, and I am going to talk to you later about being very, very nice to be here tonight. Thank you so much from Delaware, and we will be talking to Madame Nicodemus.
Thank you so much, Goddy. True Mary. True Mary. Our motto is to serve and not to be served. The Catholic Women Association, Our Lady of Fatima branch, is here represented by Mercy Chico. We don't care whether we have an invitation or not, but the vision for which the Bamidel, New Jersey stand for is typical of our icon. We do corporal works of mercy, and there is no other way, me coming from New Jersey, as the head of that group, I heard about this, I told the Mamism of Fatima, they said, you know what, all of them were supposed to be here today, but because of one reason or the other, they sent in their blessings. So, I just want to say that they are very amazed and pleased with what you people stand for, because that is their prayer. To see no child left behind, to see nobody suffer, to see the homeless have a house, a shelter, to see those who are hungry to be fed. So they have an unannounced envelope here. Okay. This is the envelope, and just know they are a church organization, a non-profit organization. They count on them. This is their check. It's a miracle. It's a double blessing. So I drop here. As the president, I'm backing up the check with $100.
Very good, very good. Thank you, Marshall.
The Vice President is here now.
The Vice President is here right now. Thank you very much, Mr. Vice President. You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Sorry for calling me.
I know you're very busy. You was taking care of business, President. You don't have to be sorry.
As any other Bamileke, I will be pledging $100 to support the cause.
Thank you so much, Mr. Oh, white, the significance of power.
That guy, I almost borrowed that suit to take a picture and give it back.
The significance of power. He knows himself. He doesn't. But if he wants me to call his name, I will. He is all white. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I'm glad to see this confusion happening. We like to surprise, and we start with confusion. Ladies and gentlemen, the Cameroonian Association of the Greater Philadelphia came tonight to support you guys from New Jersey. And we are pledging to give you guys $1,000 to support the cause.
Wow. DJ, look for some good music, please, for this $1,000.
Mr. Eric Eko-Bene.
Look at money, man.
Yeah, he
Money.
comes. Yes, Mr. Eric, you're welcome.
Hello everyone. I don't know if I'm here as Eric Eko-Bene, president of the Cameroonian Association or somebody else, because I first thought that my name was called, and then I realized it wasn't me, and then somebody else actually had my name too. And but again, it is with great pleasure that I'm here tonight. As usual, I always support anything that goes for the youth, for education. And tonight I'm not here by myself like last year. And all the Cameroonians present here, in addition to what the president actually said, we will add another $500 to that pledge. Thank you very much.
Excellent. Of our community, an important member of our community in the person of
That's Mr. Peter Akome.
Mr. Peter, hey, here you go. Don't let DJ, we got it. DJ. All right. Good evening, Mr. Peter.
Thank you very much. I will support my people with the sum of $100.
Thank you, Mr. Peter.
Thank you so much.
They call you, you know how it feels. So, thank you. I need that right now. I really need that. But since Ajomo is a very strong firm, I know I cannot be here by myself. And I have my strong supporters. I'm going to call them. They will get together and will make a very powerful donation on behalf of Ajomo Entertainment. So let me call one of our sponsors, Mr. Celestin, to come behind me. I would like to call his wife. I would like to call Uncle Guy. I would like to call one of my mothers, Madam Chief. I know they will come back and they will debate and you will know how much.
Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you.
Thank you, DJ. We'll support Ajomo with $100.
Support my son with $100.
And that makes it 400.
Mr. Lati Photo International.
Mr. Lati, with your friend to Marshall, you're a wonderful person. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to call on my co-MC, my chief MC. I could give him all the accolades, but he is called Marshall, all the way from Washington, D.C.
Tonight, I and my co-worker, we work together for this great organization, the African Award of Washington, D.C. It's a platform that we created to celebrate African talent. The third edition will be on Saturday, November 24. Everybody's invited. Last year we have a great amount of people that came from Southern New Jersey and Delaware. It's a huge event. We have about 1,500 people attending that yearly African event. So that being said, I'm going to add another 300 to what my co-worker already donated. That's going to be a total of $600 for the African
$600 from Mr. Marshall.
You're right, very right.
Talk about it, brother.
Let me take the opportunity to welcome everyone to the Bamileke Dynamic Group of Southern New Jersey 2018 convention. I stand here to represent myself and my partner, and I don't have much to talk. I just want to make sure that before you leave, make sure you see what is going on in PowerPoint. And we have our cards on the table. Even if you have our numbers, make sure you pick up the cards. We don't want to see any card left on the table after this. Everybody just said, in addition to the PowerPoint, we are a minority firm with the state of New Jersey. Minority doesn't mean that we are doing the minority things, but we represent the minority community with the state of New Jersey. And one of our motto is minority empowerment. So we're going to encourage the community to keep their ears open whenever we send out communiques to the community. So just to make sure we don't take so much of your time, myself and my partner, we came along with a check of $300.
$300, ladies and gentlemen, from LLP Moza and Pussy.
Yeah, then I will round it up to $400.
$400, making it even a beautiful event.
Attention!
Dr. Celestine
Thank you, DJ. It is an honor to be here. These fine ladies and gentlemen of the Bamileke Dynamic Group of Southern New Jersey are very special to us. Give a hand to my lovely wife, Cora. So, we have a very strong relationship between the Akum community in Delaware and our brothers and sisters here from the Bamileke Group of Southern New Jersey. That relationship has seen different presidents. The current president of the Akum Group is on her way, so he'll be coming. On our personal behalf, we are going to donate $750. $750
from Dr. and Mrs. Adventure. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jessica. Do it now. So we have a loud names call, but before we call that name again, ladies and gentlemen, a hand of applause for Dr. and Mrs. So, ladies and gentlemen, we still have some benevolence here tonight, and Marshall, we have a few people to call.
Yeah, definitely.
Before we go to those people, I just have to announce.
Bios here to support the Bamileke Dynamic Group of Southern Jersey. He's
$100
thank you, Mr.
Bios. Thank you.
You know, we always say good things happen to good people.
Bonsoir, good evening everyone. My name is Mercy. I have a fashion boutique in 195 Black Horse Pike, Williamstown, New Jersey. If you want to look good, you come to my shop.
I'm coming there tomorrow.
You can take example from me. I look good, guys.
You look good, definitely. You do.
Thank you. I'm going to support this group with $100.
Thank you so much.
Excellent. Where's the baby?
Chris Prince.
It's an honor to be here. The Bamileke people have always been supporting our Delaware community in their numbers every time we call. So I'm here as part of the Delaware group. We have the President Atancho, Chiefess, His Royal Highness. So on behalf of MC Lucris, I will be supporting the Dynamic Group of New Jersey
with $100.
Thank you, the priest.
All right. Yes, it's time to go to the chief.
Okay, yeah.
I'll read it somewhere with the power lines. Yes.
Red power is what you read
Power lines, yes. All right.
For the chiefest, right?
Yes.
All right.
That's where the power lines.
So please, we're going to invite the chiefest here tonight.
Yes. Thank you so much, DJ Manu. I'm representing the chief. Right here is the
Chiefess. I got to cover chiefess.
It's the chiefess. Yes. Thank you very much, and good morning, everybody. So, we're going to stand here in two capacities. As been sent by Chief, and we're just also going to represent Hearts and Hands for Girls. I'm not sure if you have that on your list, we'll make ourselves present on the list. Okay. So, Hearts and Hands will start with a donation of, I think I just put everything together, of $1,500.
Hold on. I didn't get that. You say 150?
$1,500.
Okay, thank you.
I wanted to make sure.
Thank you so much.
That's just the beginning.
Oh, that's just the beginning. Okay, let me shut up.
Before I hand over the check to you guys, a little bit about Hearts and Hands for Girls. I think most of you know, but maybe a few of you here don't really know what we represent. We're a group of 9 women actually, and our primary focus is on young girls and women who are undereducated and unprivileged. So our goal is to bring girls and women to that level of functionality that the world needs today. And we're also asking Bamileke Dynamic Group of New Jersey that it's not a bad thing in the future for us to forge a relationship where we can work on some of these common goals together. Because I think the stronger bond we will build is how greater Africa would be. It doesn't matter what area of Africa, what area of Cameroon you come from. So when we're helping, it really doesn't matter where this help goes, as long as it goes to Cameroon or to another African country. Just to make it clear, Chief is also a part of one of our board of directors. So when I say Hearts and Hands for Girls, it includes Chief, it includes our board of director president, Mr. Dr. Tencho, and the girls standing here today. So somehow on my way here, one of the sons of Hearts and Hands for Girls called Mel Tenkin, Chief's son, and decided to support his mother's with $250. We're giving you a total support of $1,750 today.
$1,750. Thank you, the chief.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give her a wonderful hand of applause. A mix of Dombolo, a mix of Bottle Dance, and a mix of Makosa from the Grassland region. Bagalum also, Bagalum, I'm right. Let's start with Bagalum. And that person is going to be the talented Mr. DePipson. Please, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Mr. DePipson.
tonight we know the Bamileke are part of Benin and Benin is part of Bamileke. That's why you see me here today. And if we're here today is to make this occasion look different from any other occasion. And when you come here today is the day to make it happen. Am I right? Yes. We're going to make it happen. Making it happen doesn't mean you have to sit and warm your seats. We make it happen by being here on the floor. And the kind of music, the variety, I'm a one-stop shop. Many of you don't know this name, but it's becoming an international name. Thanks to my Pinyin people, thanks to my New Jersey family, and thanks to my USA family, we are going overseas with concerts everywhere. And today, Bamileke is me. I've been in Banjul with Bless. I live there. Apostle Pomba. So I can speak the language. I sing in 5 different languages. If I come here or carry from 2018 to 2019, it should be this Bamileke convention. Am I right? Yes. Okay, so we're going to make it happen. DJ Africa.
Sure, you don't know, say it.
Ma! Kentucky. Sit down.
thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Molo.
Yeah, hello.
What do you think about this 2018 Bamileke Dynamic Group convention? We just like exiting the hall, and what is you are thinking about this night?
Yeah, it was a phenomenon. The theme that they have for this year, which is for education, which is the main key, the focus of for every community to be successful, education is the main key. And I saw it was a great success because of the funds. A lot of people, they contribute money for the success of that organization. And I've seen the great talent from them. They have that enthusiasm in them. The people in that organization, they donate a lot of money, which shows that they have the vision at heart before they bring it up to everyone to talk, to contribute towards it.
Anything to add, Mr. Molo?
No, I'm fine. It was a great occasion. We enjoyed ourselves.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, it has been a fantastic night here in Southern New Jersey. We have here the president of the Catholic Women Association of Delaware. We are just exiting this hall, this 2018 Bamileke Dynamic Group of Southern New Jersey. What do you think about this night?
Oh, it is amazing because it is our vision. CWA stands for Corporal Works of Mercy, and what they are doing is our vision to educate the homeless, the needy, to feed the needy, and to support those who need support. So it is fantastic. We do very much support it, and we support Bamide, New Jersey. Anytime they need the CWA, we will be there. We are to serve and not to be served, so it is our responsibility. Amen.
On behalf of the Bamileke Dynamic Group, we would like to thank you for your support and your donation tonight.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye now.
Ok, rebonsoir très chers téléspectateurs. Nous avons notre sœur Edith qui, à la sortie de cette convention de 2018 des Bamileke du Southern New Jersey, elle a certainement quelque chose à dire à nos téléspectateurs qui vont regarder cette vidéo.
Bonsoir, moi c'est Edith Minoué. Les Bamileke, vraiment, c'est la puissance du Cameroun. Je ne suis pas Bamileke, mais je supporte les Bamileke. Je suis partout avec eux. J'ai un fils Bamileke. Et je suis fière d'appartenir à cette famille.
Vous avez tout d'une Bamileke. Je ne savais pas que vous n'êtes pas Bamileke. Vous êtes d'où?
Je suis Bakoko Dédé. Hein? Okay. Donc, j'ai grandi dans le Mungopa avec mes parents. Et j'ai pris la culture Bamileke. Arrivé aux États-Unis, j'ai été adoptée par les Bamileke, la famille Danji, la famille Tinda, ma belle-sœur chérie, Coco Tinda. Tonton Bomé, qui est un grand frère à moi, Charlin. Donc c'est comme ça que j'ai pris goût au Bamileke et tous mes amis sont Bamileke, c'est comme ça.
Sûrement votre futur mari sera Bamileke aussi?
Oui, plus que mon fils est Bamileke, mon fils est Bangoulap. Okay. Donc je suis d'une partie Bamileke.
Merci Edith pour votre temps. Hein.
Merci aussi à vous, bye, à l'année prochaine.
Okay. Right, thank you again, ladies and gentlemen. We have the chiefess here. She's always ready to support, and for this 2018 convention of Bamileke Dynamic Group of Southern New Jersey, you are still here tonight, and you did support big time. What do you think about this event?
I think this event and every other event that we come together to help each other, to help our communities grow, is worth doing. And, you know, and little do we know how much this tiny donation goes, you know, and it goes to tell us that we don't take anything for granted. We must get up every day thanking God and appreciating how we are and how we are able to give a widow's mite to somebody else. You know, I always tell people, if you have $1 and you cannot take 50 cents from it and give somebody, the day you become a millionaire, you will never be able to help somebody. So every little help goes a long way.
Yeah, I have a personal question for you. Where do you get your strength for? I've been following you for over 3 years and I see you all over the place supporting, donating. Where do you get the strength from?
I think that the mistake people make is I think that when they see Chiefess, they think, oh, she's a very rich woman. No, I'm not, okay? I think what makes me rich is the people I surround myself with, you know? And in life, you always have to give up something to do another thing, you know? It doesn't always have to be a prescribed way of doing things, but you have to be open-minded, open-handed, and be ready to sacrifice in any way, form, or shape. I think that's what keeps me going, and where there is a will, there's always a way.
Thank you so much for your time, Chiefess.
Thank you very much. Thank you. And next year, see you, right?
Une fois de plus, nous sommes à la sortie de cette convention de 2018 des Bamileke du Southern New Jersey. Et nous avons Claudine qui a certainement quelque chose à dire par rapport à cette soirée qui est en train de s'achever. Alors Claudine, qu'est-ce que vous avez à dire à tous ceux-là qui nous regardent au sortir de cette convention de 2018?
J'aimerais dire que cette convention s'est très bien passée. So far, tout s'est passé comme on a prévu. On a raisé l'argent, on ne sait pas encore combien on a raisé, mais on sait qu'on a beaucoup raisé l'argent aujourd'hui. So, on vous donne rendez-vous l'année prochaine de venir nombreux nous assister et voir tout ce que les Bamileke de New Jersey peuvent offrir et comment les Bamileke du New Jersey montrent au monde entier la tradition des Bamileke. Merci beaucoup.
Merci Claudine pour votre temps.
Merci.
Nous continuons sur ce plateau, très chers téléspectateurs, à recevoir les membres de la communauté Bamileke du Southern New Jersey. Et nous avons M. Gigi, qui est le censeur de ce prestigieux groupe, qui ce soir a quand même raisé beaucoup d'argent, monsieur le censeur.
Ah oui, je tiens d'abord à vous remercier, M. Marshall, pour votre grand boulot que vous avez effectué ce soir. J'ai vraiment apprécié la façon que vous aviez abordé tous les invités. Et je tiens surtout aussi à dire à tous les téléspectateurs que l'année prochaine sera plus meilleure que cette année. Et je souhaiterais avoir plus de personnes et surtout que Marshall soit toujours là avec nous. Merci.
Je serai toujours là. Merci Gigi.
À la prochaine.
Oui, une fois de plus, ici sur ce plateau, nous continuons à recevoir des sommités, des personnalités. J'ai ici l'une des figures emblématiques de ce groupe Bamileke Dynamic Group du Southern New Jersey. Il s'appelle Monsieur Charlin Tamwo, qui est conseiller. Alors Monsieur Charlin, à la sortie de cette convention de 2018, quelles sont vos impressions?
Mes impressions sont, n'est-ce pas, satisfaisantes. Je dirais satisfaisantes parce que ce soir, nous avons atteint l'objectif. Notre souci était de pouvoir réunir au moins 35 000 $ pour pouvoir comme ça toucher du doigt ces déshérités-là, ces désœuvrés et tous ceux-là qui de par le monde bénéficient du soutien des Bamileke. Ce soir, avec nos partenaires venus de Delaware, du Maryland, de Washington DC et un peu partout dans les États des États-Unis, nous avons réalisé notre rêve, je disais notre vœu. Nous avons pu atteindre notre objectif. Nous avions eu la qualité et non la quantité. Nous avons eu des invités de marque ce soir et pour une première fois, nous avons réuni sur un plateau le géant Maréchal Tiano de Washington DC et une des personnalités figures de New Jersey en la personne de M. Godibou. Je crois que ce mariage a fait sa particularité ce soir et les chiffres ne mentent pas. Nous avons pu, n'est-ce pas, regrouper, nous avons pu aller au-delà de nos prévisions. Et s'il y a un gagnant ce soir, c'est ces désœuvrés. S'il y a un gagnant ce soir, c'est ceux-là qui sont malades, qui ne peuvent pas avoir accès à l'éducation. C'est ceux-là qui bénéficient du soutien de Bamileke. Et j'en suis fier.
Merci M. Charlin pour votre temps.
Merci, c'est moi qui vous remercie, cher monsieur.
Et on se retrouve l'année prochaine pour la convention de 2019.
2019, je suis sûr que ça fera sa particularité. Déjà, à partir de ce soir, nous allons travailler sur 2019 et je suis sûr que ça connaîtra le succès. Je vous remercie.
Merci. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we have here Mr. Ivo as we are getting ready to exit this 2018 convention of Bamileke Dynamic Group of Southern New Jersey. We have the chairman of this tonight event, Mr. Ivan Chinda. Sir, what do you think about tonight's event?
Tonight's event was very beautiful. I'm happy. We did everything we could do, and everybody came out. We're hoping next year we could do better, and we learn from our mistake from this year. Hopefully, next year the crowd will be more than what we have today, and for the future.
Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Nous continuons à recevoir une panoplie d'invités sur cette plateforme. Ici et maintenant, nous avons le président de l'association des Bamileke du Southern New Jersey. À la sortie de cette convention de 2018, Monsieur le Président, quelles sont vos impressions? Est-ce que ça a été votre soirée?
Vraiment, ça ne peut être qu'un sentiment de satisfaction. Je suis à la fois surpris et satisfait parce qu'en fait, du moins les réalisations étaient légèrement au-dessus de nos attentes. Nous ne nous attendions pas à avoir autant d'émotions, autant d'implications de la part des associations sœurs, de la part des personnes comme vous qui sont venues d'ici pour nous soutenir. Donc vraiment, nous sommes vraiment satisfaits et on espère que l'année prochaine, nous ferons beaucoup plus mieux et actuellement notre limite c'est juste le ciel.
Alors, est-ce que vous promettez déjà à nos téléspectateurs que l'édition de 2019, ce sera quelque chose d'aussi, sinon au moins ce qui est aujourd'hui, alors plus grandiose?
Ah ouais, en fait, avec la clôture de 2018, 2019 se prépare déjà. Donc, comme vous pouvez le constater, nous avons une équipe vraiment forte et nous comptons mettre tous en jeu pour pouvoir en 2019 avoir des réalisations beaucoup plus... comment je vais dire, beaucoup plus pratique, tout à fait pratique, tout à fait. Et pour la petite histoire, nous sommes en voie d'envoyer une mission au Cameroun pour pouvoir travailler avec certaines associations sœurs avec lesquelles nous sommes directement en contact pour transformer les promesses en réalité concrète. Donc d'ici un délai vraiment proche, vous aurez peut-être sur notre site web ou sur notre page Facebook l'ensemble des réalisations qui ont été faites comme nous avons promis ce soir à notre public.
Merci encore, Monsieur le Président, et félicitations.
Merci bien, merci pour votre soutien. Et je tiens à remercier tous ceux qui sont venus de loin vraiment pour nous soutenir. Et sans votre soutien, vraiment, nous ne pouvons pas arriver à un résultat aussi positif. Merci encore. Thank you.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. We are here broadcasting live from Southern New Jersey at the 2018 convention of Bamileke Dynamic Group. In front of me, I'm having a privilege to have Mr. DePipson, who was the tonight artist. You just said you saw him fire, Mr. DePipson.
Thank you.
What's your point of view about this?
Well, Bamileke, my point of view is that Bamileke has always been part of me, and I've always been part of Bamileke. And tonight was just the beginning. We still have package that the next occasion that would feature itself, we want to make it worldwide. We want to make it known that we have something that the world has not yet discovered from us. My band, the Pipson and the Follow Follow Band, because we are a rising star band. We started like a household name to village level, country level. We are now international. I just came back from South Africa and I'm going back again in July to play more concerts. So we are making it. And thanks to the Bamileke group, thanks to the New Jersey group that has been behind me, they lifted me up to the eye of the world. And now we are enjoying the fruits of the labor.
I think that's from where you deserve your nomination to the African Award of Washington too, because some people actually suggested you that, okay, you guys must nominate this guy from New Jersey. And talking about you, the Pipson, congratulations once again.
Thank you very much.
And good job for what you did tonight.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that you are coming.
Thank you. Cette plateforme à recevoir des sommités. Cette fois, j'ai avec moi une personne qu'on ne présente plus dans ce Southern New Jersey. C'est le président sorti, mais pas encore sorti. C'est le président Guy Dangy. Alors, Monsieur le Président, à la sortie de cette convention de 2018, quelles sont vos impressions par rapport à ce que vous venez de vivre dans cette salle?
Déjà, je vous remercie, Maréchal et Lati International. de pouvoir me donner cette interview juste à la fin, à la sortie de notre convention 2018. Merci infiniment d'être venu jusqu'ici. La soirée s'est très bien passée, les impressions sont très bonnes. Surtout notre président et ses exécutifs ont travaillé durement pour pouvoir nous délivrer un si bon travail. Nous en sommes très fiers de nous et nous évaluons, n'est-ce pas, le cumulatif le plus prominent. La soirée a été très bonne. Nous avons pu atteindre nos objectifs parlant du fundraising. Donc les nombres vont pouvoir parler bientôt, mais déjà avec l'aperçu, nous en sommes sûrs que tout s'est très bien passé. Et déjà, nous promotons pour 2019 de pouvoir continuer à bien le travail que nous avons commencé depuis un bout de temps.
Alors, qu'est-ce qui a été la spécificité de cette soirée? On a remarqué par exemple qu'il n'y avait pas beaucoup de gens en termes de quantité, mais il y avait beaucoup d'entrées en termes de donation. Alors, qu'est-ce qui a fait la particularité de cette soirée d'après vous?
Ben, Marshall, vous savez, parfois, ce n'est pas le nombre qui fait le chiffre. Vous pouvez avoir une panoplie de personnes dans une salle, mais personne ne contribue. Les gens qui sont venus ce soir sûrement ont été filtrés, n'est-ce pas? Nous avons pris un tamis. Et ce tamis, n'est-ce pas, a pu délivrer le travail que nous avons pu bien exécuter. Donc, c'est le report. Merci.
Merci le président. Et à 2019 pour la convention?
Bien sûr, à 2019. Merci, au revoir.
Ça, sur cette plateforme ici au Southern New Jersey, et nous avons quelqu'un qui peut être considéré comme une personnalité vitale parce que c'est lui qui a généralement fait le boulot de peut-être 10 personnes, c'est lui qui communique, c'est lui qui porte les casiers, c'est lui qui ramasse de l'argent, c'est lui qui fait tout. En bref, Papa Blaiseau, comme on l'appelle affectueusement ici du côté du Southern New Jersey, c'est cette personne qui a beaucoup donné pour les éditions passées, pour l'édition d'aujourd'hui et pour les éditions futures. Alors, Papa Blaise, quelles sont vos impressions par rapport à cette convention de 2018 qui tire presque à sa fin?
Eh bien, Marshall, CEO Marshall, merci pour me donner l'honneur de passer cette interview. Je dis merci à la TIE Photo International qui est venu garder nos images de ce qui s'est passé ce soir. Mais de prime abord, mes impressions sont bonnes. Et c'est une communauté qui est en train de grandir, de cultiver. Nous travaillons nuit et jour pour que cette communauté soit grande. Nous faisons ce qui est à notre pouvoir pour créer nos relations avec nos partenaires, comme vous avez constaté ce soir, de Delaware, de Maryland, de New York, Philadelphia, pour créer une grande communauté, pour travailler pour le bien de nos enfants et pour le bien de ceux qui sont restés au pays.
Merci Papa Blaiseau, je sais que la fatigue est déjà là, on va vous donner l'occasion d'aller vous reposer. Beaucoup de courage et bons préparatifs pour l'édition de 2019.
Merci CEO pour les awards. Nous ne sommes pas fatigués comme vous le pensez. Nous nous préparons pour venir à Washington dans quelques mois pour les awards de Washington, parce que nous sommes des partenaires officiels de Washington, des awards de Washington, et on ne sait cesser de vous supporter tant que vous nous supportez, Monsieur Marshall. Merci beaucoup.
Merci, merci. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have here Mrs. Mercy at this 2018 Bamileke Dynamic Group of Southern New Jersey Convention. Miss Mercy, you are a star owner. You have a boutique in New Jersey. Yes. What do you think about this event tonight?
The event was fantastic. Very, 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 very fantastic. Amazing. The cultural team did very well. The dance. Talk about Cameroon, how people are dying, and you know we've had a minute of silence. It was really fantastic. The cooked food, people donated, and everything. It was really, really, very, very, very great. I'm very proud of the group.
What about your boutique? You do dress men too, or it's only for ladies?
My boutique is called Mercy International Boutique in Saudi, New Jersey, 1951 Black Horse Pike, Williamstown, New Jersey. Actually, I do have men stuff from Europe and women stuff all over the world. You have African attires, European attires, all cultural attires. You can find it in my boutique. I mean, it's a very high quality chic boutique. When you come there, you'll be very amazed
You must buy something. You will not live without buying something. I try to make it to be like a one-stop shop all, that everything, jewelries, handbags, shoes, everything, you name it, everything are for human beings, children, men, women, young girls, all sort of life. You will have it in my boutique. It's a fantastic, fantastic boutique.
Marina!